What up, everybody? Welcome to Tuck's Daily Stock. What's it called? Welcome everybody to Tuck Notes, Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and this is my channel. Welcome to the channel where you will learn how to be a beginner stock investor and learn to have a brain with learning strategies on how to invest wisely. You'll learn from all the mistakes I've made. I can tell you that my viewers seem to be happy and my subscribers are happy because they're still here. And that's to the newcomer. To everybody else, welcome. I love you guys. And that's about a minute. So if you like the video, which you haven't seen yet, don't push the like button. I don't know why they say that before they even get into it. Whatever. So here's the topic. Is it all over? ARK Invest sold all of it in less than a month. Why did they buy it and why did they sell it so quick? What is it? So ARK Invest they sold off all the shares of this one company in their portfolio, and we're going to get into why they bought it and why they sold it quick, and is this the beginning of this, or is this the end of them selling or buying? And the company's called, what's the name of the company? It's called Him and Hers, and Him and Hers is a telehealth company that fits in what ARK Invest is looking for, which is disruptive innovation. And there's not that many telehealth companies out there right now. And this company recently IPO'd and did a reverse merger, and the company was a prime candidate to disrupt the healthcare system. And so, more so, what is it? It's digital health. Basically, it gives you access to doctors that are in their office, however, online. Kind of like if any of you see a doctor right now, all of your sessions are through, Zoom or whatever device or platform you're using. But this empowers the consumer to be able to have access to the doctor whenever they need, 24/7, all types of doctors, whatever. You can get medication filled on through the, say if I was a doctor, I would be prescribing medication to you, and it would get picked up at a pharmacy and delivered to your house. How cool is that? And you can do this off your phone or your computer. And a lot of young people love the platform because it's easy to use and they feel like their voices are being heard better than if they were maybe not online. I kind of can tell you I had some online conversations and I did feel a little bit more of a connectivity, because there's no patients or people you're walking by. All the hospital stuff or whatever it's out. So I'm just thinking a little bit deeper about this. It's good. It gives access to people who also may not be able to afford their own health insurance. So that's rad. I'm all for that. And so what do they offer? They offer COVID tests. They offer erectile dysfunction medications, anxiety medication, depression, and there's tons of products for women too. There's skincare and some hair loss for men that have problems with that. And it's all delivered. And so what's the story with ARK Invest and why are they getting so involved there, When ARK Invest got involved with this in the first time, it was in January 24th, and they bought 400,061 shares. at $13. And then the stock went all the way up to $25, had a sell off, and went down to 19, and then ARK Invest sold all their shares. Why did they do that? Sounds like a stupid move, right? Wrong. Every year we have tax. Someone told me about this. So you got to prepare for this. And this is a tactic we're about to get into. So check it out. Cathie Woods was on CNBC a few days ago, and she was talking, and this is what she had to say and why she did it. Because now everyone's all, what's up with Cathie Woods? She's the goddess, like, blah, blah, blah. But you know, and I know, we've been talking about it for, sorry, but I just get off on that. I love it because we're the G's. She sees, it's a tactic and it's a tax-efficient strategy, and explains why it's efficient and maybe necessary, and to also maybe reinvest. Expanding the number of the names of your portfolio with new stock names like this, him and hers, they didn't have much long, and showing that you took a big loss can balance off of whatever money that you might owe off of your gains that you made during the year when you sold your stocks and you made a good chunk off of Tesla or whatever company. I'm just throwing out companies, but if you can show that you lost a good amount, you can show that to the tax man or present it. I'm not sure how it goes down, but this is what she's doing. So then she's gonna cut clean. I bet she's so smart, she'll probably cut clean and not have to pay any taxes at all. Some people have to, some people don't. Can you get out of it? I don't know. It's situational. Everybody's different. But this is a cool video, and she sells the names with the most losses, and then buys the high. Now this is the best part. Buys the highest conviction rate stocks. So she gets into Tesla and Square, rebuys Square at a much cheaper price, and then gets into also like bigger biotech names like Regeneron, Novartis. And my sources approach is like you want to focus on high conviction stocks, high quality stocks like Tesla, Square, and buy them at their lowest, which is right now or next week. Remember I told you how it was going to go like this? We don't know how long, but it could be a few weeks, days, a month, I don't know. But it's going faster than we planned. And the ticker symbol is HIMS, and it's $14.57. We might see more, like I just said, of a sell-off. So you might be able to buy it at $10 or $13 is the ideal price point to get in. Keep your eye on it on your watch list if you're into disruptive companies like this, and like I am. Because if you're into watching my show, then you're into disruptive companies. Because I like to make money, and I hate making. So I can use this as a tax write-off, right? Alright, have a nice day, guys. If you like my video, you can push the like button. If you don't, whatever. And you can follow me on Tuck, or subscribe to me on Tuck Notes, and then check me out on Instagram at TuckerMLO, and my blogs at #TuxBlog. Have a good night.